A padlock in a dream. A lock represents a trustworthy person or a virgin girl. Opening a padlock in a dream means escaping from jail or release from prison. If one who is suffering from depression sees himself unlocking a padlock in a dream, it means that his sorrows or sadness will be dispelled. A lock in a dream also represents a proof, a strong point, or a tool. Unlocking a padlock in a dream also means divorce. Locking a door in a dream means seeking a consignor for a loan or a grantor. If one who is seeking to get married sees a lock in his dream, it means that he will meet with a trustworthy and a caring person. A padlock for a traveler in a dream means safety. A metal lock in a dream means dignity, safety, piety, a language symbol or acquiring knowledge. Wooden locks in a dream represent a husband, children, knowledge, wisdom, ease in one's life, or guarding one's promise. Locks in a dream also mean heedlessness. A wooden lock means hypocrisy or hesitation in one's words and actions, or it could mean accepting a bribe. If a woman seeing her hair, if breaking a lock and entering a house in a dream represents a conqueror or benefits that will come through such a person. A padlock in a dream also represents a bolt, a door, latch, one's son, a handicapped wife, taking shelter away from one's enemy, a hidden treasure, or a burial ground. A padlock in a dream also may denote concealing secrets or hindrances, obstructing one's travel plans. Putting a padlock on one's door in a dream means prosperity after suffering from poverty or receiving honors after being humiliated. A padlock in a dream also could represent a bastard son or a founding. Um, a padlock in a dream represents an employee who is treated roughly and unfavorably. A padlock made from wood in a dream represents deceit and hypocrisy. Locking one's door security in a dream means managing and controlling one's business in accordance with the divine laws. If one's door does not have a lock in a dream, it means that one has no control over which way his life goes, and that he cares little about life consequences. Attempting to lock one's door, but to no avail in a dream means one's failure to complete an important project.